Calicut is my hometown. It's a great place to be at. It's a great place to work. Actually, it's my parents' house, and on the ground floor, we have done the studio. There is a series of stepping stones that we have done in concrete at the entryway. So I've tried to embed some seashells in that. That is in memory of my grandmother. We had an outdoor kitchen. So from the main house to the outdoor kitchen, she used to embed these seashells. So that was a nice sort of soothing walk. So that is done for her memory. There's a 4-shutter door there, which is again a memory from the old traditional house. When you open, you see the side yard, which we've made into a courtyard, a water court. So there was an existing tree there. We've tried to retain that tree. In the water body, we've added a water spout. The sound of water cuts down the traffic noise. So when someone's coming out from the outside, it's a space to pause. One is taken into a meditative experience, and then you come into the studio. So when you come to the reception, which is done in more whites, there's a white terrazzo on the floor. This narrow bridge, there was something like that in my grandparents' house. There was a stream that we had to cross through to go to the house, and I don't know if it was intentional or not. It just came in when we started designing. There are many hidden memories that mostly nobody else will understand, only you. We wanted to play with volumes in this project. Even though it's a small space, then how can we play with volumes? We explored different levels in this project to zone different areas. For us, natural ventilation was very important. We didn't like to work in air-conditioned space, so we've tried to explore that to the maximum. From the reception area, one takes a flight of steps down to the basement. It's a narrow concrete stairway for a single person experience. So that informal gathering area is the first thing you see when you come down. Once you come down, the natural light fades gradually. We've deliberately tried to play with darkness and light here. You only get sunlight from a narrow strip of clear story windows, which helps in focused conversations. So this gives an opportunity for controlled artificial lighting. And we also have a meeting room that's totally inside. It can be closed with a large glass door that slides completely behind the library shelf. The meeting room is the darkest place in the studio. According to us, the process is always the same. So a series of philosophies will lead you through whatever type of project it is. So this project actually set a standard for that. We became clear of our philosophies and what we are through this project.